Welcome to Explain the Charts, and today we're tackling the AUDUSD pair. The current price action appears to be in a state of consolidation, with some indecision evident in the recent candles. Let's begin with a look at the recent news and events affecting the AUDUSD pair. Reports indicate concerns over global risk appetite and some recovery from previous losses. This backdrop has led to a mixed trading session for the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Looking at the daily chart, we see a clear trend, but let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a closer examination of the short-term price action. This time frame is useful for identifying short-term opportunities within the broader trend. The 1-hour chart provides a granular view of how the price is moving and is useful for day traders who are seeking more detailed insights into the immediate future. The recent action shows evidence of short-term support and resistance levels. For a more detailed view of recent volatility, we'll now shift to the 15-minute chart, analyzing recent price fluctuations and potential breakout points. Looking at the 15-minute candles, we can better see what caused some of the rapid price movements which were occurring within the broader daily and hourly patterns. We can also see a smaller scale trend and how support and resistance are working in this time frame. Now, let's look at a specific period on the one-day chart which shows a clear trend. By examining a time frame that illustrates the trend in question, we can confirm the nature of the pattern and its significance. This section of the daily chart clearly illustrates the ongoing trend, and we can use this information to extrapolate a longer-term outlook for the AUDUSD pair. The volume data gives added confirmation that the trend is valid. Let's switch back to the hourly chart. Having examined the various timeframes and correlating the patterns and movements on each with the recent market news and events, we can start to generate some predictions for AUDUSD. Based on our analysis, we can project various support and resistance levels, taking into account any news events that may impact the prices. In summary, the AUDUSD pair presents a complex picture. Key support levels include 0.65 and 0.63, while key resistance levels are near 0.67, 0.68, and potentially higher. The likelihood of these levels being broken depends on several factors, including market sentiment, central bank policies, and economic data releases. Any significant news events related to the Australian or US economies could influence the direction and speed of price movements. Short-term traders could capitalize on minor fluctuations near these key levels, while long-term investors might consider AUDUSD's outlook based on the broader economic situation and expectations. Remember, all trading involves risk, and it's crucial to manage risk appropriately.